today I'm at Kidzee and we have ordered a splash pad for the summer camp for the kids. So I'm really excited to open this. Let's open it. Yes. So this is it. Let's open. Let's see. Yeah, let's comfortably open this. Looks so good. Kids would be very excited to play with this. I've ordered this on Amazon. Okay, once I'll open it, we'll get it. Yay! So as you can see, this is the splash pad. Take a closer. As you can see, it's very colorful and the kids will be very excited to play with it. So yes, let's continue. So we have some instructions here given saying that we need to cut it to required size depending upon hole or puncture, and then we should thoroughly clean damaged surface and allow to dry for a minimum of 10 minutes. Remove vinyl patch from paper backing. Press patch firmly over hole or puncture. Do not inflate for 20 minutes. So let's follow all these instructions and continue. As you can see, we have to pull this yellow part, and then they have given this to prevent leakage. So I'm putting this inside. Once we have pressed it, with this screw, turn it, make sure it's tight enough. So yes, successfully we have done this. Now let's continue. I'm fixing the hose pipe.
On.
So you can see these holes through which the water is coming. Yes. Let me press this. Wow. I already love this. You can see the fountain. It's beautiful.
You go inside.
It's beautiful. The kids are going to enjoy it a lot. As you can see, all through there are these holes through which the fountain has started, and it's filling up the pool in between. It's really cool, much cooler than I've expected. Now as you can see, the pressure of the water is full, so the fountain is very high and it's beautiful now. Excited for water play? Yes, come. Yay, Nirosha, stand up. All of you are having fun? Yes? The kids had lots of fun, very happy to buy this product. See you guys in the next video.